I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your local WordPress site from another computer. First, ensure your local WordPress installation, like XAMPP or WAMP, is actively running on the host machine. Next, confirm that both the host computer and the computer you wish to access it from are connected to the same local network. Finally, locate the host computer's current IP address, as this will be crucial for establishing the connection. To enable access, you'll need to update your WordPress site's URL within its database to reflect the host computer's IP address. Additionally, modify the wp-config PHP file by defining the wp site URL and wp home constants. Crucially, configure your host computer's firewall to permit incoming connections on port 80, which is the standard port for HTTP web traffic, allowing the other computer to reach your site. Next, examine your router's settings to ensure no client isolation or similar features are preventing devices on your local network from communicating. For consistent access, consider assigning a static IP address to your host computer, preventing it from changing. If you intend to access the site from outside your local network, you would also need to forward port 80 on your router to the host computer's static IP address. To test your setup, open a web browser on the second computer and simply type in the host computer's IP address. Your local WordPress site should load, allowing you to navigate and interact with it as usual. If you encounter issues, meticulously recheck your firewall rules, verify the IP address, and confirm the WordPress URL settings are correctly configured. Patience is key for successful troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.